Ransomware is malicious software, malware, used in a cyber attack to encrypt the victim's data with an encryption key that is known only to the attacker, thereby rendering the data or functions of a network unusable until a ransom payment is made by the victim. Usually cryptocurrency is required for these ransom payments. The rise of ransomware over the past few years is a growing problem that has quickly become an extremely lucrative criminal enterprise. Targeted organizations often believe that paying the ransom is the most cost-effective way to get their data back or have their operating functions returned, and, unfortunately, this may be the reality in some cases, once the attack is underway. It's been determined that these attacks will cost the global economy trillions annually for years to come. So as with most cybersecurity defense, it starts with a good offense and awareness. Businesses can avert a ransomware attack by conducting regular security training for employees or end users. Along with reinforcing company policies regarding not sharing or revealing user credentials, even with IT and/or security, strong password requirements and other basic cyber safety measures. Unfortunately, despite our best efforts, there may be threats that exploit previously unknown vulnerabilities. In that case, if attacked with ransomware, contact the authorities immediately.